makes the best shepherd's pie?
I hope so.
They reckon one of talking about two left. You're a special girl.
You are. You're special, aren't
And
you?
so is Celine.
So it's Celine, darling girl.
You take care, both of you. Take care, okay?
we will.
Sweetheart.
Nagpaiwan si Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga kids doon, guys, kasi they're having something to eat. Ako ay punta ng shop kasi yung bestie ko, si Bestie Ron, guys, palagi siya pumupunta dito and every time na pupunta sa shop na to, sinisendan niya ako ng mga pictures ng mga, you know, yung mga bet ko ng mga damit and all that stuff. And then, malapit lang pala dito, like, I'm only like 5 minutes away now. So, buti na lang sa Daddy Mike andun para makapaglakad ako ng bilis lang. And, sabi niya sa akin, let me know if you find something na daw, good stuff daw. My bestie Ron kasi is working today kasi Wednesday, diba? Kaya, hindi kami pwedeng makalakad. But, sa Friday, ay magdi-dinner kaming dalawa lang.
She'd rather stay home, curled up in her bed with a book instead. But ooh, life's outside her front door. Clips up her hair, takes one look in the mirror, and it's never been clearer.
Dito kami sa train station now, guys. Hindi nakapag-vlog si mami nyo doon, guys. Hectic. Actually, ako lang yung pumunta ng mga shops. Si Daddy Mike, dinala niya yung mga kids somewhere para maanuhan ako ng time. Ito yung binili ko sa first shop. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya pagkarating natin kinananan pa. Ayan, another 2 pink bags here. Oh my God, I'm so excited, guys, sa mga nabili ko. Oh my God. Mabilisan lang yung pagbili ko, but I got good stuff here.
Mom, just stop.
Yes, baby. What is it, Lam?
Stop laughing. And,
I'm not laughing.
and the good thing is that I got the so relaxing toilet paper while we wait. Because Leamington is quite far away from here. Because it's like half an hour drive. Nearly half an hour. Mama, but it go to the gate.
To the game? Did you
Yeah.
play with Daddy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah, yesterday we
Daddy have cookie?
what to see.
I think may nabili din yata sa Daddy Mike siya, ano?
And then chocolate. We went to just chocolate. What's it called again? Chocolate.
What?
To the games.
Arcade.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, but I forgot.
Ang cookie na to, guys. $7, napakaliit. It smells so good, honey, when we pass by.
Mama. Yeah. I was like,
Yes lang na?
thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Till I
You deserve it kasi
realized
binagod.
Till I realized there was a cookie and I'm not having enough
you,
because I already have.
Narinig yung sabi niya, guys. What did you say again to Mama?
Say best.
Huh?
Best.
You're the best? Thank you. Oh, yeah, this one. Yum. Pinilhan ako ni Daddy Mike dito. Sobrang nabisi ako sa aking shopping, guys. Hindi na ako nakakain.
Open it.
Open it.
Open it.
I will. Hold ate.
Hello, say. Here we are at the train station. Sorry, the camera's a little bit
Bob?
wobbly.
Why is there white?
That's okay, that's like the butter, the top butter.
It's okay, Mommy. So it's having her roll.
Is it?
I got to you.
There you go.
Bad me.
There you go.
Drink water na.
Thank you.
Tell me you think when you take bite into it.
Aww. Minsanan lang yan. Yun yung bunso. Are you comfortable?
I can't put on my shoulder.
Are you comfortable in Atis Bambam? Flinders Street na kami. Just waiting for our train for Laverton.
Hi, can I give you a kiss?
Yes. Push.
Come on.
Say hi.
Potatoes.
Nani cooked shepherd's pie. You gonna eat it, Ate? Oh. Knock knock. Look at me, so excited now.
My nanny. Oh, no.
Hannah,
Sweetheart.
how are you?
Thank you, love. Here's right.
Yeah.
Oh, nanny's got it's a book over there for you. It came in the van. It's an old book. One of them colouring books.
Where's Pa?
He's there. Got one there.
Hello, baby. Where's the light? Can we turn the light? Can we turn the light on now? Can we turn the light on?
Yeah, turn it on, dolls. It's dark in there.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Oh, where's the? Oh, yeah, here, here. Where's Pa?
He's in the back room on the computer.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, Michael and Jody say your pa and the babies.
Aren't you excited to see me?
Yeah.
Look, Papa is there. Lady, Papa is there. Oh, I can't take a jacket off. Goodness. What is it you want, Lala? Lady! Straight to that. I'm gonna make coffee. Oh my goodness.
But you want to check them pants up about another inch.
I know. You know, like Mom gave this to me.
Who?
Mom, her.
It's Miles. He wants to go about 3 inches.
Yeah, it's too long. I only wear it with my heels, but I can't wear heels because we've been walking around.
Yeah, I know, but still wants to go about 2 or 3 inches.
Well, my heels is 6 inches at least.
Yeah, that's right. Because it, what's it on? It ruins them. You're walking on them and
I
stuff
know.
like that.
Do you want tea, Nat?
No, thanks, sweetheart.
No?
I've got coffee in there.
Oh, okay. Oh, is this
There
good?
we are.
That's for you,
Oh,
darling.
thank
One
you.
cup of coffee.
How much is
Wait,
the
wait,
one?
wait.
That
Celine.
one's fast. He wants
Have you got
coffee.
sugar, Nat?
Yeah, I got sugar today.
No, no,
I'm a
just
good
put,
girl.
just put my finger in it, sweet enough.
That's the sugar.
That's how sweet you are.
I got sugar today for you, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Oh, I better get some sugar for Jody.
How do you want the soup?
I'm having beef.
Good.
No, we're going on Friday.
Oh, you're going on Friday?
Yeah, 'cause-
I thought you went last Friday.
No, Mom is coming back tomorrow.
Oh, that's
Oh.
good. Your mum gone home today.
No, Monday.
Monday. Did
Yeah,
mum
yeah.
go on Monday?
Yeah, and then she's coming back tomorrow
Did you know
afternoon.
how to
We're going to the museum,
Yes.
and then Friday we're going to the
Oh,
zoo.
that's good, yeah. We miss it today, don't we?
We're going to play like
We miss your mum today.
Yes, yeah.
How's my Christmas going?
Company.
That's good.
They love their pencils.
Yeah, they do. Anything boring, colorful.
Yes.
No. Can I have some milk, Nat?
Yes, but I help yourself, you know that.
Oh, yeah.
It's your place too.
Thank you.
What's my name?
Biscuits there, sweetheart.
You've been busy cooking.
Yes,
What's
yes.
your name?
The shepherd's pie, but it's not the same one as last time. It's got mushrooms, chuck steak, onions in it.
Oh, well, did you like
Yeah.
cook it from scratch?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. And it's got, what else in it? Tomato paste, or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
Yeah, beef gravy.
I'm gonna show it to them, Nan.
Yes, yes.
Look, see, Nan's cooking the shepherd's pie. That's our favorite. Every time we come here, Nan always make it for us. Nan makes the best shepherd's pie.
I hope so.
Yes, baby. Hello, what's this one? Oh, look at that.
For my thing.
Oh my goodness.
Just half. I mean, just 3.
Just one color?
3.
Okay, hang on.
Hello.
I had to go there.
She's telling you what to do, Pa.
Yeah, I know that.
You have none.
Look at this.
Joey's favourite.
You don't know that one.
Isn't it?
No, you don't.
Your
I
favorite.
like the new ones you like.
No, you don't.
Mincemeat. That's not mincemeat, that one.
What is it?
Steak, stew and steak.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's
Let
we had it
me
before
use
lunch.
that.
Yes, baby.
What's that line? I just want to see something.
Auntie.
Which one?
Yeah, got mushroom in it.
Which one?
The one with the colors of beans.
You know that one?
And
The beads. You got new photos of Celine, Pa?
Oh,
Yeah, that's what Joey said Monday.
Yeah, I need to Kyle give some to Mum. See, Nan, they got new photo.
Oh, lovely.
you.
Oh, that's lovely. Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe I'll just
Put that away.
got one. I'll give to Mum.
Yeah. Will I get a pair of scissors and cut it now?
Yeah. You have one.
Yeah. I'll get you.
I'll do it.
You do it, Joey.
you ready?
Thank you.
Pair of scissors.
Okay, Willie.
Got like photos of kids everywhere. And then you. There's still very little here. Tignan niyo. Bob, have a look at Lini here, Bob. Yeah, looks like Daddy. It's Paris.
Run and jump on
Yeah, everyone. Daddy.
Your turn.
I'm going to come on.
One. Two.
Cheetah.
Paris is still in.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
Centipede. Ah. Two. 3. 4.
Carbo.
Oh, you're stuck in it. Auntie's turn.
You're not listening, are you?
But she's so focused.
Pa's gonna tell you what.
You can do it, all right. Can I hold that? I'll hold that while you get it. I know it's good. I just want to hold it. Oh, all right, you can hold it.
There's your. Ah, give it a fork.
Hey, my mind's blue.
Ah, there's your spoon. Right. Is that your ice cream?
I think so.
You think so? Alright, it is.
I think so.
Was that her?
Yeah.
So
He talks a lot.
Yeah, it's good. Good talker.
Say, this is my best friend.
Oh.
Who's your best friend?
Daddy.
Who's your best friend?
Daddy.
Daddy!
Louie.
She's from the other day when your dad was up at
Paris is your best friend. Yeah?
Michael's up
Who?
later.
Louie.
Louie! Oh, Louie the dog.
Be careful, you have two eyes.
Yeah. No, she's nice like that.
Yeah, she
What's
worries.
your dog's
She
name?
worries.
Louie.
Dad's gonna fall.
Is this for her? Nan?
Yes,
Are you
right.
gonna put some of this?
What?
Oh, yes, I've
What's
got
my
the
best
two.
friend's name?
I forgot.
Celine.
I don't have any best friend, Daddy.
Nelson, I've got him already.
Yeah, Nanny. Yeah, get out. They reckon one of talking about Hoover. As an actor, two Bob actor, they used to be round dobbling everybody and saying this one's a communist and that one's a... But he was talking all the you're a pleasure, mate.
You're beautiful.
Give Papa, Karo.
Papa Carol,
You're a special girl.
you are special, aren't
And
you?
so is Celine.
So it's Elaine, darling girl.
You take care, both of you. Take care,
Yeah,
okay?
we will.
Sweetheart.
Oh, don't go out until they come.
Oh, darling girl.
Is it there now, Daddy?
Be safe going home, won't you?
Yeah, we'll do.
So you're going straight on with the taxi.
I think so. Yeah, I think
Well,
we'll do.
well, if it's 40 to the other place, you might as well- and you've got to pay 20 for the train.
And
you know,
another
and
for
the tram.
tram. Yeah.
So you
And they come on the step and wait.
Careful,
only
careful,
about
man.
10
Look at your lips. Oh, that's too thick, baby girl. Oh, no. We're back sa hotel namin, guys. So, nag-taxi na lang kami from Nanan Pass Place. Punta dito. Para mabilis. Kasi gabi na tapos mag-train. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pinabili ko kanina, guys, sa Chapel Street. Oh, where's the other side of that? Here. So, this is the first place na pinuntahan ko, diba? So, ito yung...
Mama,
Yes, baby girl?
I want my polish.
Huh? What happened?
I want my
Ito yung sabi sa akin ng bestie ko, guys. So, I went there, check it out. At ito lang yung
Magic!
nagustuhan ko.
Magic!
Your magic? Have a look in those bags.
No.
The red one. First is the only one from the shop actually. So this is from the brand COS. There. And ganyan siya, guys. Para siyang wrap around na skirt. Ganyan. Pero mas malaki yung pleats niya sa harapan. And then sa likuran, it's mas maliit. So that. And then, oh, this one I'm very excited for the next ones, guys. So ito nabili ko sa the last op shop na pinasukan ko. So look at this. Oh, I'm gonna wear this maybe tomorrow. I don't know. Marami akong nabili. That's very nice. Look at that, guys. My Chanel.
What's going on?
Look at that. And this is needed. Try natin, hindi. Hala! Where's that from, Lam? Oh, did Daddy get that from Salvos?
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh. Are you okay?
Open up face. Mommy, open up face.
Cheerleader.
Mom,
Cheerleader.
that was a vampire in like.
It's a Batman. It's a Batman dress.
Mom.
Gusto ko yung op shop na yun, guys. Even before na nandito pa kami. Kasi I find really good stuff from there. And hindi marami yung napuntahan kong op shop kanina kasi we were rushing. Kasi nga kailangan namin pumunta sa bahay ni Nanang pa for lunch. Actually, nakarating kami sa kanila 3 o'clock na eh. But yeah, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I'll just go to this one and then we can go. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, you can just come back tomorrow morning if you want to. I'll keep the kids and you can come here. But sabi ko, I think I've done enough damage today actually. So binili ko, yun lang yung shop na yun, guys. But look at that. Lovely. Can close this ones here. Ayan, 'di ba? Super nice niya. Yung mga pasisisi. Oh. Next one is this. Napaka-cute, guys. Ito siya, nakita ko sila sa mannequin. Sa taas pa talaga, guys. But sabi ko sa kanya, can I please have a look at that one? And then, okay lang sa kanya naman. Kasi, alam niya na I'm gonna buy if it fits me. Oh, diba? Look at that. Ganda nito. Ganda ng kulay. Grabe. Look at that, my pearls. And this is like neat. Nice. Love this one. I can wear it like clothes. Do you like this? Oh, you eating apple? You're a good girl, honey. Eating apple. And then, next one is very similar to that one. This one is nice. Nilagay nila to sa mannequin, guys. Pinair nila sa skirt na green. And it looks really, really nice.
That's for Melbourne.
For Melbourne, yeah. I really wanted to buy that one as well para it's an
Like
outfit.
me.
But,
That's like me.
like me, yes, Baba Gil. Sobrang laki ng skirt. See? Kita nyo to, guys. Ang ganda-ganda ng kanyang details. Heart yan siya na puff. Diba? Tapos ganda ng kanyang kulay. I really like it. Ang ganda ng kanyang mga butones. Yan. Bit na bit. And then the last two are the best for me. But mapresyo lang sila. Anyways, I don't think I'll find them anywhere.
Hi
They're very
guys.
rare.
Here's I got apple.
Good girl eating apple. I don't mind paying a little bit more for this kasi bit na bit. Look at this. This short. This is from Imovie.
That's good.
Oh, brand. Oh my god. I was so happy. It's short, honey. Short. So happy to have found this one.
Mama, it looks like skirt.
It looks like skirt, doesn't it? Nasa, ano to siya, cabinet. Tapos naka-fold pa siya. But nakita ko yung brand. So agad-agad dinanong ko, can I have a look, that one? Kung, hindi ko alam kasi kung shorts or skirt or pants. But I wish it's a skirt. But anyways, I'm happy with this one. Imovie, made in Portugal, and it's got like the tags and everything there. I tried it on. Felt like medyo malaki siya, guys. I don't know, maybe I can make it work. I'm super excited sa aking nabili, guys. Kaya after nito, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, I don't need to go back tomorrow. I don't need to go back tomorrow. And the last one is here. This one, hindi siya, yung bagong tagto condition. But, it's a Christian Dior top.
Can I see?
Look at that, honey. Hopefully, this fits me. Hindi ko tinry. Nung nakita ko, sabi ko lang na, kasi nandun na sila dahil may sabi ko, yeah, I'll grab that one as well. Actually, meron pa isa doon na Moschino na shirt na may bears. Like, yes, Baba. But sabi ko, okay, that's enough. Kasi mukhang malaki na yung nagastos ko doon. Yeah, that's Christian Dior. That's a tag there. Ayan, oh. Made in Italy. Nakalagay dyan. And then, anong size ba ito? France 38, USA 6. Cashmere and wool. Kaya ganito yung kanyang material niya. Ayan, oh, nakalagay. So, ganyan ang kanyang material. Hopefully, maybe, suotin ko na bukas.
Yeah.
That looks nice with, I think it looks nice with this.
We went to
Yeah, I think it will. Oh, diba bongga?
we went to
Jack lang ako bukas.
we're in today, like Chapel Street.
I want to say something very special that I did
Not even close, like
2 days ago and today.
every 2
So I'm gonna start about
function on,
today.
carrying on, workshop.
mother? First, I got this very beautiful tree and like
Now, you have to ask Nani.
Apart from the shop.
what is it? If it was an apple.
No.
And guys, it is so beautiful. I really love it. That's why I bought it.
We're staying in stuff.
And 2 days ago, I bought this.
No, we've been stuff that might be.
Binili ni Daddy Mike for himself.
We were staying, but no.
And another jack. Oh, this is nice. In the street.
2 meters. Just
Oh, that's
carry
not
'em on.
bad.
Daddy, you should. And guys, 2 days ago I got this bowl. Oh my god, so cool. Oh, sorry. God. I love it.
There's absolutely
Oh my God, I'm so proud.
And yesterday I got it.
I'm
so proud you
I'll show you something else. They got 2 days ago.
Making their business
It's
everyone
this
else's
little
business.
bear crystal. It is beautiful. I like it so much. But it's actually for a bracelet. I mean necklace. But I don't want it to be that. So I decided to leave it like this. Anyways, you can't really see the holes over there. Yeah, there's a piece of gold here. Wow. That is so beautiful. Okay, let's get off of the pillow. And the other 3 days ago, I actually bought these. I actually didn't buy them. I made these by myself. So first they give us the crux, and then we get to choose charms and then put them on. So I got these 2 days ago, and this is my creation. There's a P for Paris and a little love right there. Cinnamon roll and another heart. And Stitch, Hello Kitty, coffee, and a little girl blowing bubblegum. So see you later, guys.
Ready?
Close your eyes. Close your mouth.
Hi guys. I'm gonna go touch the floor.
Come on, Lola.
Where are you going?
It's very cold here. It's ice. It's not okay.
It's okay to be in the ice. Daddy has a nice water before.
Close your eyes. Close your mouth. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Close your eyes. Are you close enough? Ready? 1, 2, 3.